Thanks for tuning into Iron Point Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to screenshot your PC in a few different ways. Let's dive right in. The first method that I'm going to show you for taking a screenshot in your PC is the print screen method. Now, the print screen method is just a button on your keyboard that says print screen. So if you were to push that print screen button, it would take a picture of the full screen on your desktop and it copies it to your clipboard. So in order to access it, you need to open up another application like Paint and you need to paste it in there. So if you hit Control V, it'll paste that screenshot that you took using the print screen button. And if you wanted to not take a picture of the full screen, but maybe just the window or application that you're using. So as an example, if I just wanted to take a picture of this Paint area, this Paint application that I have pulled up, then you'll hit the Alt and print screen button. So hold Alt and push print screen and it takes a picture of just your open window. So if I paste that into here, hit Control V, you'll see that the screenshot only took a screenshot of the open application, so not the actual full desktop screen. Now, if you're wanting to take a picture that is saved as an image file, then all you'll need to do is hold the Windows button and then push the print screen button. And that takes a picture of your desktop and saves it as an image file. So if you open up your files, you can see here if you navigate to your pictures, and then there's this folder here called screenshots. If you open up the screenshots, you'll see I've taken a lot of screenshots. You can see just recently I had taken a screenshot and it saved it into this folder. So as an example, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to push Windows and then print screen. And it should save another screenshot of a full desktop. And so that saves it automatically as an image file. So you don't need to copy and paste it into another application and then save it for later use. The next method I'm going to show you is my personal favorite and probably the best one to use, and that is the snipping tool. Now you can access the snipping tool just in your search bar. If you go to your search bar, type in snipping tool, it'll be right here. So you click it open and it gives you a few different options. So here there's different ways you can take screenshots on your PC. So if you click on this mode, you can see that there's different forms here. There's free form, there's rectangular, window, or full screen. I keep it at rectangular because it gives me a little bit more creative control in sizing what I want to take a screenshot of on my PC. So I'm just going to leave it on rectangular snip. You can also add a delay in here if you want it to be delayed so you can take pictures of stuff that overlays or things that only appear for a certain amount of time. But if you click on new, it's going to give you this little cursor option where you can highlight a certain area, drag it in that rectangular shape, and then if you let it go, it's going to take that screenshot. And see, it's much more customizable. It adds it to the snipping tool, and all you need to do is hit save, and then you can save that image anywhere in your files. So that is my personal favorite tool, and the easiest one to use in terms of taking a screenshot on your PC. Next is it's an aspect of the snipping tool. If you hold down Windows, Shift, and S, it gives you this option, which is essentially the snipping tool, but it's similar to the print screen button. It just copies it to your clipboard if you don't want to just immediately take a picture using the snipping tool application. So if you see I take another screenshot here, nothing pops up because it saves it to my clipboard. And then if I go to open up another application like Paint and I paste it in there, then the image will pop up. So my favorite is the snipping tool, and that's what I recommend is the easiest to take a screenshot on your PC. But if you have any other comments or any other methods of taking screenshots on your PC that'll be easier and other methods that'll be beneficial as well, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for tuning in today.